Hi, this is Abid Hussain here. Welcome to Embassy Boulevard, the ultra luxurious 4 and 5 bedroom villas in North Bangalore. If you're looking for ultra luxury villas in Bangalore North, this is the option to explore. This is 170 villas community spread across 51 acres of land. This has 40,000 square feet of a clubhouse, developed on 1.5 acres of landscape gardens, leisure club with the latest facilities. Amenities include swimming pool, convenience store, fully equipped gym, business centers and meeting room, library, etc. All modern luxury amenities. This is 12 km before International Airport and 13 km from Hebbal flyover. We have 4 and 5 bedroom villas with private swimming pool and elevator for resale and rental. Starting from 3900 square feet to 5900 square feet is a super built-up area, and the land area is 4035 square feet to 7090 square feet approximately. If you're looking for ultra luxury villas in North Bangalore, then make an appointment to visit this project. And for more details, you can check out the description area. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Property Vlogs, a luxury projects channel Bangalore, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day.